Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my personal analysis on volatility 75 index. Okay, I'll be showing you guys how I personally do my analysis, and this is going to be a top-down analysis from the higher time frame, which is basically from the daily time frame to the 15 or the 5-minute time frame, where I'll be taking my entries. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know, so make sure you stick to the video to the very end, because there are some powerful information you don't want to miss. Okay, so the first thing I do here is that I go to the higher time frame, which is the daily. So here on the daily, I try to mark out some important key zones. Okay, so as you can see, the market is kind of in a ranging state. All right, so what we do here is to mark out the support and resistance zones we can see. All right, so here I can spot some resistance zone here. The price is kind of that is rejecting price currently. So as you can see, price broke below this area, and you can see that price is now kind of going to retest this area. All right, so you can see there is a resistance here now pushing price to the downside. Okay, so on spotting this, I will step down to the 4 hours time frame to also see what is happening here. All right, so here on the 4 hours time frame, what I'll be doing is to also mark out the resistance zone, and also I'll be marking out some I'll be marking out the support and resistance zone on the 4-hour time frame also, and I'll be also putting in some trend line in order to get a better understanding of what the market is doing. All right, so here I can spot a support zone here. All right, so there is a support around this area that is kind of pushing price to the upside. All right, so as you can see, price bounce here, went up, bounce, and you can see it broke. There is also a resistance here, but price broke it, and here it found another resistance here that is kind of pushing price to the downside right now. Okay, so after marking this out, I'll also mark out this. All right, because there are some resistance, there are some support here. You can see price found support here, and you can see there's another support here right before the bounce up. Okay, so you need to mark these things out also. So now after marking this out, I will go to the lower time frame again. Now I'm going to step down to the 1 hour time frame to see what's happening here also on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame, I want to also be marking out some. Okay, so I step down to the 30-minute time frame. I want to mark out some zones here also. All right, so as you can see here, I put in some trend line here also to mark out the horizontal support and resistance zone here. Okay, so now you can see that price broke below our trend line here on the 30-minute time frame. All right, and also I can spot the price is consolidating because there is a resistance here, there's a resistance zone here, and also there is a support zone below it. All right, so this is kind of price, this is price consolidating around this area. All right, so now this is what is happening. Price is kind of in a confused state right now. All right, so now we don't know if price is going to if we don't know if price is going to sell to the downside or buy to the upside. Okay, so that is what's happening here. Price is kind of consolidating, so what I'm waiting for right now is either price breaks below this area it will break below it, and I'll wait for a retest, for price to go in for a retest, and I'll be looking for a sell to the downside. All right, and I'm going to be selling till this area. All right, this trend line here, as you can see, I'll be selling to this area. And if that doesn't happen, the plan B is that I'll be waiting for price to break above this area. All right, once it breaks, I'll wait for a retest and I'll look for my buy entry to the upside. All right, so as you can see, either I sell here or I'll be buying to the upside. Okay, so this is what I'm currently waiting on, and once the condition is being met, I'll be going down to the 15-minute time frame to look for my buy or sell entry, as you can see here. All right, so this is basically what I'm waiting for in the market on volatility 75 index. Okay, so I said I should just quickly share with you guys this, right? So by the time you are watching the video, you should check your chart, and if you are around this area, then you can also join me in taking the trade. All right, so I think that is going to be all for this one. For those of you in need of my mentorship, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do message me and we talk on that. Okay, and also about my boom and crash strategy, for those of you who have not yet come to get it, the door is still open. Okay, check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact, just like I've said, and we'll still discuss on how you get the strategy. It's a VIP strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account, okay, without the fear of blowing it. Okay, with the strategy you can never blow your account. Okay, so that is pretty much everything I have on this one. Okay, so if you are a new viewer, coming across my channel for the first time, do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And don't also forget to give the video a like if you are getting value from it. Okay, so that's it guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.